Welcome to my Balanced Literacy E-Unit. The focus of my E-Unit is food, and my theme is foods around the world. I chose this theme because it is engaging and introduces different foods from various cultures around the world. This unit is mainly focused for pre-K to 3rd grade readers, and the standards addressed aligns with NJ Learning Standards for 1st grade reading. The goal of this E-Unit is to support culturally responsive instruction, reading comprehension, and use scaffolding when needed. The 4 components included in my E-Unit are my guided reading plan, my shared reading plan, my read aloud, related literature, and finally, my e-tool. I have created a collection of culturally diverse books that include nonfiction, fiction, and informational texts. This collection of books will introduce various cultures of food and language that relate to my diverse learners. These books are age-appropriate and amongst the most popular and best-rated books for diverse learners. These books use repetition to help readers recognize words and support comprehension. Next is my shared reading plan. It is based around the famous Dr. Seuss book, Green Eggs and Ham. This plan outlines and recognizes the words that improve comprehension and support phonological and phonemic awareness. Next is my guided reading plan centered around the book, Sometimes I'm Bombaloo. Students will use this plan to recognize sight words, phrases, and repetition to better understand the words used and comprehend the text. The lessons created will support students in recognizing key details, summarizing, and actively discussing thoughts and opinions. Next is my read aloud, centered around the Popcorn book. This is an informational text where students will engage in discussion about culture and factual information. Students will be able to summarize, recognize key details, and state their opinions on what they learned. Lastly is my e-tool unit, Poplet. Students can use this tool for many creative ways to support learning and brainstorming ideas for writing. Students can use this tool along with this E-Unit to engage in culture and food and learn how to relate the readings to their everyday experiences. Students can create mind maps to support their writing by including opinions, facts, and statements surrounding certain topics. This Balanced Literacy E-Unit is a great online outlet for students to actively seek culturally responsive information and learn about diversity.
I will use Poplet for a creative lesson where my students can explore and create mind maps, images, infographics, and where they can find resources for literacy. The writing task I will create using Poplet will be for students to use this tool to create a mind map about ocean animals. They will use a center photo of an animal and write 10 facts around the photo to create a mind map. Overall, this E-Unit is a great way for students to learn and comprehend reading from all over the world.